Welcome TMDDTM viewers to another episode of Things My Dad Didn't Teach Me. First, I want to thank you for checking out the channel. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give it a big thumbs up, and leave a positive comment. If you don't like the content, still do all the things I stated earlier. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Things My Dad Didn't Teach Me. I'm Dewan, and today I'm going to show you how I built these side tables. So we had already had these existing chairs. We picked these chairs up, we reupholstered them, and I was trying to figure out what would be a nice piece here. Some of these side tables are either too tall, too short, too wide, too narrow. So I just thought, just go ahead and build something that would make sense for this space, kind of match this up. It's a super easy build. On a hammer scale of 1 to 5, this is actually a 1. Anyone can do it. You don't have to have any experience. This is great for a beginner, but it'll still turn out elegant. A lot of different ways you can modify this, a lot of different ways you can build it, but I'm going to show you the way I built this one, and again, hopefully you'll feel confident enough to build your own. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Things My Dad Didn't Teach Me. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can get the latest episodes of Things My Dad Didn't Teach Me. God bless.